Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be cooking okra and dry fish. It's a very simple delicacy, so stay tuned and watch and learn. So you're going to prepare yours, and also let me comment in the comment sections, let me know how yours came out. Let's begin the process. It's kind of so sunny and I'm cooking under the sun. I'm trying to hide under this little shadow, but it's not working. You can see the sky, it's so sunny. I have my okra here, which is called lady fingers, properly washed. So I'm going to slice it now, and in here I have my okra, which is locust beans. In my language we call it inune. So I'm going to pound it together with the pepper and the onions. Yeah. Today we don't have rain, so yeah, let's begin. Here I have my catfish. I bought this catfish 5,000 naira. Convert that. So I'm going to pour water on it. This is hot water, guys. You just boil water and pour on it. It's very hot water actually. The water is very hot. Very, very, very hot. Pour all the water and let it soak for some time. Let it soak for 5 minutes or 4 minutes, less than that. Don't want it over soaked. So after that, I'm going to go inside and wash this. So in here I have my okra sliced, nicely sliced. This is my cube. I love putting this in my soup. I don't miss it. In here I have my salt, and this is my ingredients. I don't know how you call this in English, this very black thing, but these are spices from my village. If I know the English name, of course I will tell you, but I don't know it. In here I have my dry pepper, and here my fresh pepper, onions, and locust beans, which is nune in my language. And of course I have the almighty pot. Okay, so I'm going to light the gas. Meanwhile, let's do it this way. Just pour the remaining hot water here. Put in your ingredients. Guys, I forgot to bring out the oil. I'll go inside and get oil now. So this is the fish. I've washed the fish. This is how the fish is looking like. I'm just going to debone the fish. I don't want bones inside my okra when I'm eating it. So I'm just going to debone all this fish and remove all the bones inside. Yeah, remove all the bones, and then we continue. Meanwhile, it's super sunny, like I said. Look at it. Look at it, sunny. The bone, I don't like bone inside my food, inside my okra, especially my okra. I don't like bone. Oh, fly. This is the disadvantages of cooking outside. Fly will not just let you rest. That is the disadvantage of cooking outside. This is all that's left of the fish. I'm going to trash the bones. I don't like bones in my... If you're in Nigeria and you don't use red oil to cook, you're not a Nigerian. We always use our red oil. Always. It's very important. It is a must. So I'm just going to add in water like that. Not too much though, because you know this is fish. And then add in my cubes. 2 is enough. Add in my salt. Little bit salt, not too much, because the okra is not much. So yeah, like that. Put on my gas and then let's cook, guys. Cover it to boil for 10 minutes. It's a very it's gonna be like a quick meal, quick okra meal. I don't know how you prepare yours, but let me know in the comment sections how you prepare your own okra. But me, that's how I prepare mine sometimes, you know. And you know, this is not meat, so it's going to be a quick meal. It's not meat, so it's going to be very fast to done. I covered these things because of breeze. That's why I covered this. So I'm going to remove it now, like that. Ooh la la, looks yummy already. Wow, it's looking good. No, this is dry fish. You don't want it to overcook. Time to go in with the okra lady fingers. Just arrange them like this. Yep, boom. I will cover it, let it simmer again for 3 minutes, then it's ready to eat. Yeah, that's how you cook it. Looking good already. So guys, let's cover it for it to simmer and boil for 3 minutes. You know, it's okra. You don't have to overcook okra, so you don't miss out the draw, you know what I mean? Yeah. You can also eat okra, raw okra. Like raw, it's a vegetable, so you can eat it raw. I think so. People eat it raw, but for me, I cannot eat it raw because of the taste. Yeah, so let's let it to simmer. Meanwhile, as you are watching, if you have watched to this length, please comment, share, and there's love in sharing as always. I'll see you at the end. Okay, guys, it's been 5 minutes now. Let's see what's happening. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. This looks good. Good and yummy. So yummy. Wow. Guys, I'm a chef in my own kingdom. Whether you like it or not, I'm a chef. So I'm going to remove this now and boil water. Trust me, this thing is perfect. The cubes is perfect. I don't even need to test it. I know how to put my spices. So nice, so nice. I'm gonna remove this now and boil water for I'll boil water for the eba. Looks nice.